out here. It's a beautiful day. Hey, what's up, Slider family? It's your boy Clutch C. You're new to the channel, welcome. And if you've been here before, hey man, thanks for rocking with me again. And I hope everything is good in your world today. And today is a beautiful day. We're gonna go slide. I'm gonna do a couple of tests on my bike. I took my windshield off and I want to see what it looked like. I've had my bike for 3 years. I've never rode it without the windshield. So I just want to see what it looks like or ride like without the windshield on it. I mean, as you can see, man, the day is really sunny. It's about 80 degrees here, February the 21st, 2026. Weather is bipolar, man. Every time I'm off from work, it's cold and raining for most of this month. And when I'm at work, it's beautiful, bright and sunny and hot. So Houston weather is just bipolar. So hey man, come on me, we're gonna ride. We're gonna go check out the bike, run a few errands. I'm gonna take you with me. We're just gonna see if, what it feels like with the windshield on and the windshield out. Hey, here she is, man. We're finna take a ride. Go ahead and start. Hey, I got my son with me. He's gonna ride with me. He wanna see. He said he's ready to get on the road. We're gonna get this cold started. All right, so I got my son holding the windshield on there now. Hopefully you can see it. This is what it looked like with the windshield on. Now I've already loosened the bolts and took it off. So I just wanted you to see what it looked like with the windshield on. All right, go ahead and take it off. Now here's what she looked like without the windshield. What you think? I'm gonna see how it rides and how much wind it keeps off of me. And hey man, I need y'all to tell me what you think, with the windshield or without the windshield. With or without the windshield, what do you think? All right, well, we're gonna ride. All right, man, I'm rolling with my half helmet today. Plus, I don't have the windshield on. And I know I'm getting a lot more wind. I probably should have worn my full face helmet. So I guess I'll just have to do another test. So right off the bat, I noticed I'm getting a lot of wind without my windshield here. So I'm gonna probably have to do the test again with my full face helmet on, if I'm not gonna do the windshield. I mean, it feels totally different. It definitely looks different. So from your view, family, what does it look like? You've seen it with the windshield, and here's without the windshield. I've definitely noticed that I'm just getting a lot more wind, so I'm gonna have to do it with my full face helmet to really, when I'm riding without the windshield. Yeah, I'm getting a lot more wind. Man, it's such a beautiful day. I'm glad to be able to get on Twoz again. But my son wanted to ride with me, so I said, come on. Riding two up is not difficult. I mean, when you moving and going straight, I have no problem. I mean, I'm all a bit of a $160 soaking wet. And my son, 14 years old, is about about 210. So going straight is not hard to balance, as long as we're moving. No problem turning. It's just when I come to a stop, like a stop sign or a red light, I mean, it gets really heavy and I have to really balance it. As long as we're moving, we're good. So like right here, I have to balance it. It's still not that bad, you know, but coming to a stop, I have to use my back brakes to really slow me down. I use my front brakes and my handlebars are turned in, I mean, I get off balance. So I try to keep those handlebars straight and start off using my front, but as I just about to stop, you know, I using my back brakes. Because your back brakes give you more control. I mean, it's 80 degrees out here. It's a beautiful day. But that windshield blocked a lot of wind, man. You felt almost zero wind when I had a windshield on. And this wind is so loud, I barely can hear the bike when I'm at about 40 miles an hour. All right, so man, I'm here at my favorite park, right around the corner from the house. But I wanted to show you the bike. Now this is what it looked like without the windshield. So what do you think? I know one thing, I mean, I was getting a lot more wind. If I'm just riding and not recording, maybe that's pretty cool. But man, I really couldn't even hear the bike because the wind was so high. It's a little windy today too. What do you think? With the windshield or without the windshield? So let me just show you the park, some more of the park. Really nice little park, just come and relax. Got the ducks in the water. What's up, duckies? They're gone now. Hey, you coming disturbing me. Just a nice relaxing park on both sides of the subdivision. Just something nice right in the middle of a lot of houses, man. Nice little lake, a pond with ducks in it. Just kind of relaxing. So man, I hope you guys are riding today. I mean, Houston have what I call bipolar weather. I mean, since the February here, today is February the 21st, we've been getting on and off, cold, hot, raining, raining hard, raining, cold, cold, raining. You name it, just bipolar, man. But this is just a beautiful day, about 80 degrees. Now, the next weekend, or starting the week, Monday and Tuesday, it's supposed to drop back down into the 60s and then drop down to the 40s. And then by the weekend, it's back in the 70s. So hey man, we just ride when we can ride. Usually here in Houston, we can ride year round. It's just some days are cold, some days are rainy, some days are beautiful like today. So we still can get it in between, even in the wintertime. There's, 70 degrees, bright sun, even in the wintertime. So hopefully it's beautiful where you are, man, and you can get some riding in. Man, I can just sit here and watch the ducks all day, man. And what happens is people come and feed them, and they tell you not to feed them, but people come and feed them anyway. I mean, just beautiful, relaxing, nothing to do but lounge and float in the water. Guess they playing follow the leader, huh? Guess my son say, man, let's go. All right, we're gonna get back on the road. All right, I moved the camera, the 360 to the back now, so we're getting the back view. So all right guys, I was just doing a couple of quick tests, making sure I'm ready to ride when the weather stays permanently good. So I know I'm not getting great audio, but I'm gonna end it right here, man. Just put down in the comments for me, man, if you can hear me. With the windshield or without the windshield. I can tell you right now, I'm gonna say with the windshield, because I am just getting too much wind on me. So anyway, hey man, make sure you keep tools on the ground. Hey man, y'all be safe. And we'll catch you in the next one. Later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can still go. Even when there's no hope, you can still go. I never answer to no, man, I still go. Go, go.